Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? Well, today I am about to head into Sam's to go get some preps, and we are going to be getting hit with a very bad storm starting at about, I think they said like 5-6 o'clock. So I want to get everything done. Now is the time, if you live in like a hurricane prone area, is the time to really start prepping for hurricanes. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. As well as, getting other preps. And then I'll show you what I get, because Sam's likes to blast music, so I can't really film in there. So let's get this going. I like to go in style, yeah? All right, I'm going in. Okay, I just got back from Sam's, so I wanted to show you my haul. All right, here it is. Like I said, I couldn't film inside Sam's only because they blast music, and it's hard to try and edit that video to try and get that music out. So I figured I'd just come home and just show you my haul, okay? Watch out, Penelope. Watch out, baby. Watch out. So I got paper towels and more toilet paper. Some rice that I will be either dry canning or putting in Mylar bags with oxygen absorber packs and then putting in 5-gallon buckets. Chocolate. If you don't stockpile chocolate, I don't want to talk to you. I'm kidding. I love you. Okay, so I got some more meats. God help me. But this is for dinner tonight. These are yummalicious. But this I'm going to be repackaging only because this is like 2 meals. This chicken right here is 5 meals. And this right here is 4 meals. So that'll be repackaged. I have to try and find room in my freezer. The eggs will be frozen because, the silicone ice cube trays. And then can't forget about the puppies. Can't forget about them. And then we got some peanut butter, some awesome spices, and then some more honey for my tea. But yeah, this is what I got. You don't want to know how much I spent. But it wasn't really that bad considering, I did get, big stuff. Got a lot of paper towels, a lot of toilet paper, 25 pounds of rice. I got a lot of stuff for the dogs, and the spices. I had to get spices because, listen, I have to have spices. You need spices, right? Who wants food fatigue? But anyway, this is it. Now I do have to run to Rural King. I have to go get some water. And I'm sure you're asking yourself, you have 50 cases of water underneath Andrew's bed. Yeah. I don't care if I have 200 cases of water. You can never have too much water, too much food, too much of any of your preps, okay? Because no one can ever be 100% prepared. I don't care how much you think you have. Okay? You can never have too much. Now, I'm not saying, oh my goddess, go out and spend hundreds and thousands of dollars and spend all your money and make yourself go broke so you can't pay any of your bills. Nope, that's not what I'm saying. Number one, always make sure all of your bills are paid, especially your mortgage or your rent. Hey. Especially your electric bill, your water bill, okay? Your phone bill, insurance payments. And then whatever you have left over, after all of your responsibilities are taken care of, that's when you prep, okay? But I just wanted to show you my haul. Okay, and then tomorrow night, I have a very special treat for you. Very special. Tomorrow night at 7 o'clock, I will be going live with one of my subscribers. She has become a very, very dear friend of mine, someone who I cherish very much. She is extremely intelligent. She's almost on genius level, I must say. But please get your questions ready now for any financial help you may need. She's like the female version of my dad. So whatever questions you may have, write them down right now, okay? I can guarantee she has the answer, all right? She has been in the banking industry for, I can't even tell you how long. I mean, it's that long she's been in the banking industry, okay? So get your questions ready, okay? All right, I have to run out to Royal King. I have to put this stuff away. I have to repackage the meats and try and find room in the freezer. And yeah, that's it. Okay, I will see you in the next one. I love you. Stay safe. Stay positive. Keep prepping. And as always, fear less. All right. Oh, I want to show you something real quick. Hang on. Look at my new shirt. I love it. United States Marine Mom. I know, but listen, I'm proud. I'm a proud mom. I am. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.